Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix United Airlines app not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in United Airlines, and once you tap on search and then tap on the app, and once you're inside the app, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings, and once you're inside there, tap on general, and once you tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do here is scroll down until you find the United Airlines app, and once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you're facing. Once that's done, head over back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.